Hello YouTube. Too much coffee, snacks and no vegetables, the main mistakes when eating at work. The nutritionist called the most popular mistakes that office workers make. There are few people who can say that it is easy to maintain a healthy diet at work. And it doesn't matter where and by whom you work. If you are seriously thinking about your health and healthy eating, but at the same time you are actively working and do not want to bring yourself to a hungry faint, gastritis or bring excess weight from the office, you will inevitably face the question, how to eat at work. Life under the dictation of office style day by day creates routine habits that are not always good for health. The most common dietary mistakes at work are lots of refreshing drinks, tea, coffee, energy drinks, and the consumption of sugary drinks in large quantities impairs the absorption of iron and calcium from food. Too long breaks between meals or very frequent snacks, dry meals, poor chewing of food due to lack of time. These habits lead to stagnant processes in the biliary tract, exacerbate chronic diseases of the gastrointestinal tract. Monotonous food. Many people bring the same set of meals to work every day. Yes, it's easy, you don't have to think about what to cook. However, over a long period of time, such a diet can lead to vitamin and mineral deficiencies. Fast food. As a result, there is an excess of glucose in fats. This can contribute to the development of diabetes, metabolic disorders, overweight. Excessive consumption of sweets due to myths that mental work requires additional energy for the brain. In fact, there is enough energy already. About 19% of the basal metabolic rate falls on this mental work. Decrease in working capacity in the first place will be due to inadequate and irregular nutrition. Insufficient amount of fruits, vegetables and greens in the diet. Proper nutrition at work should become your healthy habit. Be healthy, watch your diet. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.